Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Canva to Zapier at 2026. So you will need to know that the Canva does have an official Zapier integration, but it's limited to certain actions, and you cannot follow its Canva designs through Zapier, but you can automate workflows like creating new designs, exporting files, or posting to social media. So you all need at first to make sure that you have the Canva Pro or Teams account, Zapier account, and know which apps you want to connect, like Google Drive, Slack, Notion, etc. Okay, so you will need at first to log into Zapier. So you'll need to go with the Zapier.com, then just click Create Zapier, okay? Or create Zap, and the option is that one, so just click it, and then you decide or you choose the trigger or action. So you will need to choose the Canva as a trigger or as an action. Okay, so if you go with, or if you want to go with the Canva as trigger, that's like things that starts the Zap, or if you want it as an action, it means the things Zapier will do for you. So it's up to you. So just let me show you how you can do that in both. So as a trigger, you just click on trigger and then just look for Canva. All right, then you will need to select it. Okay, and as an action also you'll need to select Canva. So you'll need to look for the Canva and then just select it. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.